Time to make maple chicken chili, one of my favorite recipes to get a ton of protein, very easy to make. We're gonna start by grabbing a white onion, a red bell pepper, and 70 grams of jalapenos. You're gonna dice up each of these, keep them on the cutting board. We're gonna spray our pan and toss those veggies right in to start sauteing down. Now I'm gonna grab 15 ounces of chicken breast and we are just gonna cut them into smaller pieces like this. Make sure you wash your hands when dealing with raw meat. For our seasonings, you're gonna grab salt, pepper, and garlic powder, keeping it nice and simple here. Mix that right up. You can do this in a bowl or right on the cutting board itself. Once your veggies have cooked down for about 10 minutes or so, go ahead and toss your chicken in there. Look at those colors. We're gonna get beans here. I like to use 3 different kinds of beans: cannellini, kidney, and black beans. Last thing we're gonna do is add in 1 cup of water. Now we're gonna let this cook for 50 minutes. Cover it up. This is what we're working with at the end of the 50 minutes. Now it's time to thicken it up. We're gonna use 2 cups of fat-free cheddar cheese. We're gonna add in 1 cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. And lastly, the not so secret ingredient is our maple barbecue sauce. I'm just using Sweet Baby Ray's. We're gonna use 3/4 of a cup. When I've made this in the past, I have made my own barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna leave a brief recipe if you wanna try that below. Both versions, this one and the one made with the homemade barbecue sauce, turned out really delicious. While I'm cooking, just to keep things easy, I write out all my ingredients on this whiteboard here. As always, I'm going to create this meal in MyFitnessPal to make it easy to track when I am logging my macros for the day. This particular recipe makes 4 servings, 474 calories, 57 carbs, 1.8 grams of fat, and 57 grams of protein. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.